BigBeluga's Pivot Trend Flow is a structure-based trend framework built around confirmed swing points. Instead of smoothing price with a moving average, it defines trend using pivot highs and pivot lows, then converts those pivots into adaptive reference levels directly on the chart. The script identifies pivot highs and lows using a defined lookback length. Each confirmed pivot is stored, and the most recent group of pivots is averaged to create two dynamic levels. One represents recent structural highs. The other represents recent structural lows. These averaged zones form the foundation of the model. As the structure evolves, the levels evolve with it. Trend state is determined by where price closes relative to those averaged levels. A close above the averaged pivot highs signals structural expansion and shifts the model into a bullish regime. A close below the average pivot lows signals structural breakdown and shifts it into a bearish regime. Once the regime is active, the plotted band anchors to the opposite side of the structure. In a bullish state, the active band tracks averaged pivot lows. In a bearish state, it tracks the average pivot highs. This keeps the reference aligned with structural invalidation rather than momentum smoothing. The visual output reinforces regime clarity. When price holds consistently above the band in a bullish state, trend continuity is intact. Compression into the band signals a weakening structure. Repeated challenges increase the probability of rotation. Because the band only updates while the regime remains unchanged, it acts as a structural guide rather than a reactive overlay. The breakout markers add confirmation. In an established bullish regime, when price breaks above a recent pivot high, the indicator marks that expansion. In a bearish regime, breaks below recent pivot lows are highlighted. These markers reflect structural continuation, not anticipation. They confirm participation in the direction of the active flow. Parameter control is straightforward. Shorter pivot lengths increase responsiveness but reduce stability. Larger averaging windows smooth the reference levels but can delay adaptation. The balance depends on whether you prioritize early detection or structural reliability. The limitations are inherent to pivots themselves. Pivots are confirmed after the swing forms, which means rapid reversals can occur before the model updates. In sideways conditions, alternating breaks can produce frequent regime shifts with limited follow-through. This tool performs best when price is expanding directionally and the structure is clean. That is pivot trend flow. Use it to define regime from confirmed structure and to keep decisions aligned with structural continuation rather than short-term fluctuation.